This is a Thai-inspired fit corn flakes breakfast bowl for two, ready in 10 minutes. 1 cup of corn flakes. These will be the crunchy base. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt for protein and creaminess. Half cup of light coconut milk to add a subtle Thai flavor. 1 ripe mango, sliced, for sweet tropical flavor. 2 tablespoons of chopped roasted peanuts for crunch and Thai character. 1 tablespoon of honey to sweeten naturally. 1 teaspoon of lime zest and 1 tablespoon of lime juice for brightness. 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt to balance flavors. 2 fresh mint sprigs for garnish and aroma. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt and half cup of light coconut milk. Stir until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of lime zest, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt to the yogurt mixture. Mix well. Divide 1 cup of corn flakes between 2 shallow bowls, covering about half of each bowl. Spoon half of the yogurt coconut mixture over the corn flakes in each bowl, letting it seep into the flakes without fully drowning them. Top each bowl with sliced mango arranged on one side, using about half the sliced mango for each bowl. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of chopped roasted peanuts evenly between the 2 bowls for crunch. Place the bowls uncovered in the microwave and heat on medium power for 20 seconds to slightly warm the yogurt and coconut without melting the flakes. Remove the bowls and gently pat the corn flakes where needed to restore crisp texture if some softened slightly. Drizzle 1/2 tablespoon of honey over each bowl. Finish with 2 fresh mint sprigs and a lime wedge per bowl for aroma and a final squeeze if desired. Taste a spoonful and adjust sweetness or salt with an extra half teaspoon of honey or a light pinch of salt as needed. Serve immediately while the yogurt is slightly warm and the corn flakes remain mostly crisp. Enjoy! Now we'll finish the recipe. You made a Thai-inspired fit corn flakes breakfast bowl for two. If you liked this quick healthy recipe, like, subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.